Hey, Lorelai. Is there any chance that Rory's home?
Yeah, he's in the other room.
Oh, thanks. Hey, Rory.
Hey, how's it going?
It's going good. I had to ask you a question.
Okay.
Do you think you could help Jess out with his studies? He's not doing very good. He's slacking off.
I can help him.
Yeah, I've noticed that you're really good with the books. I mean, you're good and the books are good, and you're just good with the books, like you are. Yeah.
Okay, I can help him. What subjects is he having trouble in?
Biology.
Alright, I can help him.
All right, cool. Thanks. At the diner at 6.
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, cool. Thanks. Oh, keep
Bye.
up what you're doing.
Alright, bye.
See ya. I'll see you later, Lorelai.
Hey, what did you two talk about?
Nothing really. I'll be sure to screw up a cake for you later.
Okay, thanks.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, explain to me what the hierarchy structure found in cells is.
I don't know.
Yes, you do, Jess. It's in the textbook right in front of you.
Alright, fine. An atom forms bonds to make molecules. Molecules make up organelles, which make up cells. Cells make up tissues that form organs. Organs form organ systems, which make up an organism.
See? You do know it.
Yeah, whatever. Let's just finish this. I'm bored.
Okay. What makes up atom and give what the charges are?
In the nucleus, there are protons, which are positive charged particles. Also in the nucleus, there are neutrons, which have no charge. Electrons are negatively charged particles that surround the nucleus. There are the same amount of electrons in an atom as protons.
Good. How many types of bonds are there?
3.
Explain what they are.
Covalent bonds are 2 or more atoms sharing electrons. It's a strong bond, but not the strongest. Some examples are H2O or CO2. Ionic bonds are when an atom loses an electron to form positive charge and another atom gains a lost electron to form a negative charge. Then, since the atoms have opposite charges, they attract, which form ionic bonds. This is the strongest bond. Hydrogen bonds are 2 or more molecules that have opposite charges, which attract and form hydrogen bonds. Hydrogen bonds are the weakest bonds.
Good. Now name the 2 macromolecules that are made of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Atoms.
Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen atoms form amino acids that combine to form proteins. Proteins do all the cell's work. The same atoms that form nucleotides then combine to form nucleic acids. Nucleic acids help keep amino acids together so the proteins can do the cell's work.
Alright, what are the last 2 macromolecules?
Carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms form monosaccharides that combine to form carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are broken down to provide the cell with energy. The same 3 atoms also form fatty acids that combine to form lipids. Lipids are a quick source of energy for a cell.
Alright, we are almost halfway done. What is the function of the nucleus?
The nucleus contains all the cell's DNA and the nucleolus.
Okay, what are the organelles that make or modify macromolecules?
Ribosomes make the proteins in the cell and are in both eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells. The rough endoplasmic reticulum modifies proteins as they are made and is connected to the nucleus. It looks like a polka dot wall. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes lipids and modifies other macromolecules. The Golgi apparatus modifies packages and sends out macromolecules around or out of the cell. Great.
Now what are the organelles that make up energy for our cell's metabolism?
The mitochondria makes ATP for plant and animal cells. Chloroplasts convert light energy into chemical energy of sugar for plants.
And what are the organelles that store products in the cell?
The vacuole stores waste and water in plants and animals. A plant cell has one large central vacuole, and an animal cell has many small vacuoles. Lysosomes break down worn-out organelles and store waste.
What?
Can I leave now?
No, we aren't done yet. We're almost done, though. Now what are the organelles that give the cell shape and structure?
The cell wall protects and prevents the plant and animal cell from bursting when the vacuole is full. Cytoskeleton move the fibers in the cytoplasm that help give the cell shape. mechanical strength, locomotion, chromosome separation of mitosis and meiosis, and intracellular transport of organelles.
Alright, that's good. What are the differences between eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells?
Prokaryotic cells don't have a membrane-bound nucleus. They also don't have membrane-bound organelles. Eukaryotic cells have a membrane-bound nucleus. They also have many membrane-bound organelles.
What are the differences between plant and animal cells?
Plant cells have one large central vacuole and have a cell wall. Plant cells also contain chloroplasts. Animal cells have many smaller vacuoles and no cell wall. Animal cells also don't have chloroplasts.
Okay, now look at this diagram of the cells on this worksheet. Can you identify what the organelles are? And tell whether it's a eukaryotic or prokaryotic cell. And give what kind of cell it is.
Cell 1, eukaryotic plant. Cell 2 is a prokaryotic bacteria, and cell 3 is an animal, which is also a eukaryote. This one here, A, is a cell wall, B is a vacuole, C is a chloroplast, D is a plasma membrane, E is a cell wall, F are ribosomes, G is the Golgi apparatus, and H is the mitochondria, and I is the rough endoplasmic reticulum.
Good. Now last question. What organelles do all cells have in common?
All cells have ribosomes, cytoskeleton, and cell membrane. Can I leave now?
I have one question of my own for you. Why did Luke ask me to help you when you know all of this? You're really smart, Jess. Why don't you just try in school?
I don't know, Rory. I'm getting out of here. Later.
Bye.